everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to send GIFs online. So first of all, open the Line application on your device. You can see over here Line app has been opened. Make sure you're in the chats interface. For that, tap on the chats option that you can see at the bottom. Now tap on the chat where you want to send the GIF. Now that particular chat will be opened over here. What you can do is simply tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, if you see the option for GIF over here, tap on it. After you do that, you'll be able to send the inbuilt GIF. But this option will not be available for all the users. In that case, what you can do is simply download the GIF manually from other sources. For example, you can simply go to the browser of your choice and search for the GIFs. Go ahead and download it. After you do that, open the Line application. Now tap on the photo icon that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply look for the GIF that you just downloaded. Now select the GIF file. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the GIF will be sent. So like this, you'll be able to send the GIF. So that is how you send GIFs online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.